Welcome back, everyone. Today we are conducting a deep dive analysis of the Hindu newspaper date August 18, 2026. This lesson covers critical updates for competitive examination across constitutional law, governance, environment, science and technology, economics and international relations. So let's step through the paper page by page. Okay. So the very first news is here. The major headline of today's news. So the Jharkhand CM scrap recruitment amid agitation. The Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren announced the cancellation of JSSC CGL Jharkhand Staff Selection Commission combined graduate level examination after 24 days of sustained student protest. The state government also cancelled all examinations conducted since 2014 by TSR Data Processing Private Limited (TDPL), a blacklisted agency. A high-level committee under senior IAS officer Amitabh Kaushal has been formed to suggest systematic examination reforms. Protesters' responses: Student leader Ravindra Paswan affirmed that protest will continue until a further full CBI investigation probe is ordered. Okay, so ahead of Independence Day, Union Home Minister Amit Shah announced that security agencies dismantled the Pakistan-based Shehzad Bhatti network. Coordinated raids across 14 states led to the detention of 253 individuals and the arrest of over 200 operative links to generate attacks and IED blasts. Stampede at Ashokadham Temple, Bihar. At least 7 women devotees lost their life. Over a dozen were injured during a stampede at Ashokdham Temple in Lakshyasarai district, Bihar. Heavy surge during the holy month of Shravan led to broken bamboo barricade, a snapped electric pole, and a subsequent panic due to power leakage rumor. Bihar CM Samrat Chaudhary announced 14 lakh ex gratia to kin of the deceased. Regional governance and electorate revision. Delhi Electoral Roll Revision (SIR). Out of 1.5 crore total electors, 97.4 lakh forms have been digitized for the draft electoral roll. Around 47.7 lakh voters have been marked under ASDDO (absent, get shifted, dead, duplicate, and other) and face a risk of exclusion. Election officials noted that high immigrant movement in the capital account for a high shift rate. An AI-based system was deployed to flag logical dispensaries. Another news is Delhi Lakshmi Yojana guidelines. So the Delhi government issued a gazette notification stating that disbursed aid under 2500 per month Delhi Lakshmi Yojana will be recovered in full if a recipient is found ineligible at any stage. Okay, here is the news. Okay, so after UGC NET paper retest protest, NTA announced re-examination of sociology, commerce, and English subject on September 9 and 10 due to paper defects. Major student bodies like NSUI, AISA, SFI staged protest outside the NTA headquarters demanding the scrapping of the agency. Rajasthan school entry restriction. The Rajasthan Secondary Education Department issue a circular restricting unauthorized entry, photography and videography inside a government school. Education Minister Madan Dilawar defended the order under the principle of in loco parentis, in the place of a parent, as asserting the state obligation to safeguard minor privacy and safety. This move followed protests led by the Cockroach Janata Party under a School Theek Karo campaign. The Chief Telangana Electoral Roll Revision. The Chief Electoral Officer announced that 93 lakh voters, about 35% of the electorate, will be issued notice regarding anomalies or over-verified details. Over 73.39 lakh invalid duplicate entries were removed, bringing total state voters to 2.64 crore. Odisha monsoon flood. Heavy precipitation across the Buharbang, Baitarani and another rivers basin inundated six districts: Jajpura, Bhadrak, Balasore, Mayurbhanj, Kendrapara, Keonjhar, affecting 7.85 lakh people. Supreme Court protection of traditional elephant corridors. A Supreme Court bench headed by CJI Surikant ordered the union government to perform a nationwide survey and clear all physical blockade along ancient elephant migratory routes. So the Supreme Court prohibited state from blocking natural pathways as a measure against human-animal conflict and strictly enforced the ban on barbaric tactics like throwing fireballs, mashals and spikes. Elephants are the protected under the schedule of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Tamil Nadu Court crop loan waiver. Making 100 days in office, CM Vijay announced upgraded full crop loan waiver of up to 75,000 for small and marginal farmers, incurring an additional state expenditure of 953 crore. Ayodhya's Sugriv Kila temple land dispute. The Allahabad High Court strongly admonished the UP government for forcibly possessing a 1512 square meter plot belonging to Sugriv Kila temple for Ram Janambhoomi development without paying the promised 1.21 crore concentration. So the state was directed to deposit the amount with 8% annual interest. Official renaming of a Kerala to Keralam. President Draupadi Murmu granted presidential assent to the Kerala Bill 2026. The change altered the first schedule of the Indian Constitution according to the Article 3. State right under MMDR amendment. Kerala CM VD Satishan addressed a letter to PM Narendra Modi challenging a Section 19 of the and Mine Act, Mine and Mineral Amendment Act. He argued that the restricting state power to levy taxes on mineral-rich land infringes upon a state fiscal autonomy. Census questionnaire and OBC column debate. Congress OBC Department Chief Anil Jain criticized the Union government for excluding the dedicated other backward classes column in the question 10 of the census questionnaire released on August 14. His editorial Losing Forest for Trees CAG report on Green India Mission. A Comptroller and Auditor General performance audit revealed that over a decade, Green India Mission restored only 0.11 million hectare out of 1.4 million hectare target. While plantation drive like Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam boost high sampling numbers, actual recorded dense forest canopy is deteriorating into scrub. India is increasing tree cover outside forest while losing true biodiverse forest ecosystem. Taxing frivolous industries will not fund science. Analysis by Ritvik Chaturvedi, IISc. The author refutes proposal to IV extra taxes on sports like IPL or cinemas to fund scientific research. Rather than government over regulation, science funding should be improved by removing rigid procurement constraints such as forced jam platform buying, eliminating GST and import duties on high-tech lab equipments, using CSR or FCRA, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, bottleneck to boost private endowment. Match AI model to workload, not leaderboard. Analysis by Chandrajit Banerjee and Debjani Ghosh. Enterprises AI adoption must move beyond benchmark ranking. Closed API, okay, best for high reasoning consumer application. Manage open weight platform servo interference, ideal for regulated industry requiring data residency. Self-hosted open weight models, mandatory for sensitive operations like cybersecurity, malware analysis, and internal IP fine-tuning where third-party guardrails cannot be tolerated. India's merchandise export. India exported $44.2 billion worth of goods in July 2026, marking 20% growth year-on-year. The surge was primarily driven by petroleum products, accounting for 39% of the increase due to crude price surges from West Asia conflicts followed by the electronics and engineering goods. The US remains India's primary export destination. The road to E20 fuel is not without pump. Ethanol is hygroscopic, absorbs atmospheric moisture, and acts as a solvent in 240 million legacy vehicles. E20 fuel leads to phases separation, fuel tank corrosive, clogged injector, and degraded rubber seals. Mandate retail outlet to provide dual dispensing option with unblended petrol, E0 or E10 as a protection grade for legacy owners. Rotating detonation engines (RDEs). India's defense startup D-Propose successfully test-fired an RDE at the DRDO facility in Hyderabad. So the scientific principle is conventional combustors use deflagration, subsonic flame propagation at constant pressure. RD use continuous detonation, supersonic shock waves propagating in an annular chamber at constant volume. Performance gain is RD increased thermodynamic efficiency by 10% to 25%, drastically reducing required fuel mass for rocket, hypersonic missiles and satellite thrusters. Natural justice and high court power. A Supreme Court stayed disproportionate asset proceeding against Rahul Gandhi initiated by the Allahabad High Court. SGI Suryakant observed while police can investigate complaint independently, court ordering inquiries must strictly follow by the principle of natural justice by giving an accused a hearing. Shanti Act 2025 liability challenges. The Supreme Court issued a notice on the petition challenging liability cap under the Sustainable Harassing and Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India. Shanti Act 2025. Petitioner pointed out that capping operator residual liability at 300 million, especially drawing roid, is inadequate for nuclear disasters. Electoral integrity and black money. In a judgment by Justice Sanjay Karol, the Supreme Court declared that eliminating black money from election is the duty of Election Commission of India investigating officer. Seizing cash asset must be reported seizure to magistrate within 24 hours and complete investigation within 1 year. Navy leases MQ-98 Sea Guardian drones. The Ministry of Defense signed a 1943 crore contract with General Atomics USA to lease two MQ-98 Sea Guardian high-altitude, long-endurance drones for 30 months to expand maritime surveillance in Indian Ocean region. ECMS scheme approval. MIETY approved 7877 crore worth of project under the Electronics Component Manufacturing Scheme (ECMS), achieving domestic self-reliance in enclosure, relay and anode material and optical transceivers. US-South Korea exercise. US President Donald Trump ordered an reduction in joint military exercises with South Korea. Badminton World Championship. 21-year-old Indian shuttler Ayush Shetty created a massive upset by defeating world number one and defending champion Shi Yuki. Ravindra Jadeja became fifth Indian and 28th bowler globally, reached 350 Test wickets, joining an elite club of all-rounder with 4,000 runs and 350 wickets. Devdutt Padikkal scored his maiden century 167 against Sri Lanka in Gale. The Ken Betwa river linking project in Panna Tiger Reserve will submerge 10 villages and displace an additional 12 villages, 22 total across Panna and Chhatarpur. Local Gonds and Adivasis community are resisting cash compensation, demanding forest for forest, land for land, and community level rehabilitation to preserve their access to minor forest produce. The study in conservation biological highlighted hyper-realistic AI-generated wildlife visual as major threat to conservation efforts. Fake visuals alter public perception for wild animal behavior, fuel illegal pet trade demand, and pollute citizen science database used by researchers. Okay, so that brings us to the end of comprehensive page-by-page analysis of the Hindu, August 18, 2026. Make sure to note down the specific statutory laws, constitutional article, and economic data point covered today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next section.